What's up everybody, please welcome to my channel. And today's video we're gonna be looking into event handling in JavaFX. Now I know in my past videos I haven't done this event handling thing, but it is pretty much what we've been doing without even knowing that it was event handling. You might need to know event handling because if it appears in an exam or something, you're gonna be frustrated thinking you didn't learn about this, yet you did learn. Or event handling is simply telling JavaFX what to do, telling the application what to do whenever something happens. It can be when a mouse is clicked per se, when a scroll is started, it could be any of those. So let's create an application and name it event handling. Alright, so let's navigate to our XML document and edit it in Scene Builder. I'm gonna have to delete this because I don't need them. So let's just okay. So what you need to do right now is to first of all give our anchor page an ID, and you need here are some of the here are some of the methods that can be happened. Here are the actions that can be performed. Okay, so there's on drag detected, on drop, on drag entered. We have different methods that can be identified. So right now what you're looking for is to create a method that changes the background of this anchor pane whenever something happens. So let's just use a scroll. Okay, let's just use a scroll and let's name our method change color. Okay, now navigate back to your NetBeans and let's make controller. Now everything is working, and let's just delete this method right here. We don't need that, and the label as well. Now what we're trying to do is whenever you scroll, we need to change the background color of this anchor pane. So let's just set the style to background color. Let's make it red. Right, I think everything is fine right now. Let's just clean and build before running to make sure that everything is added. Now let's run the application. So it says right here whenever you scroll it has to change the color. So I did scroll and it changed the color, but for demonstration purposes let's just change that on scroll event into a different event. Let's change it to on mouse clicked. on mouse clicked, because okay, on mouse clicked, here it is. And let's go ahead and make control. Let's just delete the score event and place everything in on mouse clicked event. Okay, let's clean and build first. I think we might have a problem because we still had our other method, which is on scroll detected, and we need to change that before anything else, so that the only thing that's left is on mouse clicked. So on mouse clicked. Okay, here it is ready. Let's go ahead and build, clean and build, and let's run. Alright, whenever I click on this, it has to change the color to red. So here it is, it's changing the color to red. Alright, thank you everybody for watching, and please subscribe on my channel and leave a thumbs up if you like the video. I'll see you in our next video.